Hello everyone, my name is Mehran Akhtar and I am going to install Windows 10, fresh installation of Windows 10 on my father's PC. So basically I will make a bootable pen drive for that installation. So here for the bootable pen drive you can go to Google Chrome and type Windows 10 Media Creation Tool. Then here the first website, the official website, click on this website and here download the tool now. So here it is being downloaded. It will be downloaded in a moment. So you can see it is downloaded. So I am opening this. So yes, it is opening. So here it is saying getting a few things ready. So wait for a minute. So after a while it has shown the agreement, so accept this agreement. Then again getting a few things ready. So again wait for a while. So it has asked what you want to do, upgrade your PC. So create installation media using USB flash drive. So next, then again language edition, uh, architecture 64-bit. You can also choose 34-bit. And again next, then I have to make a USB flash drive. Then proceed on next. Then here it has detect my pen drive, so I have already made my flash drive, so I will not rewrite it again. So you have to press next and next. So basically it will take 10 to 20 minutes for the downloading based on the internet. Basically mine was downloaded within 5 to 6 minutes because I am using my Wi-Fi. So it will take for a moment, then again it will create media file. Then after creating the media file on your pen drive, the flash drive will look like this. I am going to show you. Here it will this type of image will be formed when you plug in your pen drive. So I have basically made my pen drive bootable. So here my pen drive inserted into my PC. So for that I am going for the boot. I am going to restart this PC. So and basically the boot key is F9. So I am going to restart. So here you can see that my PC has gone in the BIOS setting. So I will choose the USB hard drive to boot my PC. So it is being booted. So here you can see that it is asking the language. By default it is selected English keyboard, let it be US, and then press on next, then press on install now. Then the setup is starting. So wait for a while. So here you can see that the agreement has came. So you can read this agreement, but I will not read for the time consuming. So basically I will click on the checkbox, then next, then I will press the custom installation. Then for that I have to find the local disk C and I will format my partition local disk C. For that I will press format, then format. It is being formatted. Now I will install my Windows in this partition only. It is basically my C drive. So I am going to proceed it. Yes. So basically it will go to 100%. So and so. So getting files ready. It will take a while. It will go for 100%. It will take the maximum time, and all the processes are very small. So here you can see that it is almost 54%. So wait for the 100. So here you can see that it is almost 99%. So it is going to 100. So it is 100. Then installing future. Then this process will be done in very few minutes, in very few seconds. So it is basically installing updates. Now it is doing this process. Now it is already done. Now finishing up. So it is restarting. After finishing up, you can see my PC is restarting. Now here you can see that it is starting services. It is showing. Then getting device ready, and it will be done in 100%. then again getting ready. So it is showing, just a moment, so wait. So here you can see that it is started the voice assistant too. So I have to fill the basic details further. So I have to enter my country. So my country is India. So I'm going to choose India. So here it is, India. Yes. And again, just a moment. Then English, keyboard layout. Yes. Skip. Now I have to connect to my internet. So I'm connecting my Wi-Fi. So I'm entering the password. So I've entered my password. So I'm going to proceed it. So my internet is connected. So again, just a moment. So I'm going to enter my account details. So I'm going to proceed next. Then I'm going to write my password. So I've entered my password. Now next. Now it is asking to create pin. So I'm going to create a pin. So new pin. So I've entered my pin, 4-digit pin. So okay. So I have to accept this settings. I have accepted it. So I'm going to skip this. So I'm going to press no thanks. I will install my Microsoft of my own. So I'm also disabling the Cortana. I have disabled the Cortana for a moment. I can enable it from my Windows only, from the home. So here you can see the high. We are getting everything. It is showing this might take several minutes. So wait for minutes. So it is showing almost here. Now here you can see the mission is complete. We have installed a fresh Windows 10 on my PC. So it is basically Windows 10. So I can show you the Windows about PC. So about your PC. So here you can see the edition of Windows 10 Home single language. It is version 20H2, installed on 28/3/2021. So basically we have installed the Windows 10. So I'm going to end this video. Thanks for watching.